Are you tired of the same old, boring breakfast routine? Well, get ready to spice things up with these 10 mind-blowing healthy breakfast recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and supercharge your mornings. From creamy avocado delights to protein-packed powerhouses, we've got something for everyone. Trust me, you won't want to snooze through these. We all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? But let's be honest here, it can also be the most boring. That's why I bring you these 11 insanely delicious and healthy breakfast recipes that will make you jump out of bed with excitement. Let's make some avocado toast with a little extra pizzazz. Ingredients: 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado mashed, 2 eggs, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: toast the bread until golden brown. Mash the avocado in a bowl and spread it evenly on the toasted bread. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and gently crack those eggs into it. Cook them just the way you like them. And don't forget to sprinkle some salt and pepper for that extra flavor. Now place those beautifully fried eggs atop your avocado toast and you're ready to dig in. Trust me, it's not just delicious but super healthy too. Avocados are full of good stuff like monounsaturated fats, fiber and potassium. And those eggs, they're packing some serious protein and essential goodies like choline and vitamin D. Time to enjoy. Let's get cracking on a veggie-packed omelet, shall we? Ingredients: 3 eggs, 1/4 cup diced bell peppers, 1/4 cup of spinach, chopped, 2 tablespoons of diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: whisk the eggs in a bowl, add a little sprinkle of salt and pepper for that extra kick. Next, heat the avocado oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Toss in the bell peppers and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to pour in the whisked eggs and let them cook for a minute. Then add the spinach and tomatoes and fold the omelette in half. And cook for another minute or 2 until the omelette is set. This veggie-packed omelette is a nutritional powerhouse, providing protein, fiber, vitamins and antioxidants from the colourful vegetables. All right, let's make a lentil and egg powerhouse. Ingredients: 1 cup of cooked lentils, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1/4 cup of diced onions, 1 clove of garlic, minced salt and pepper to taste. Optional, chopped parsley or cilantro for garnishing. Instructions: first, let's warm up some avocado oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Now, toss in those diced onions and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until translucent. Next, add in the minced garlic and let it sizzle for another minute. Now here comes the power ingredient. Throw in the cooked lentils and give it all a good stir to combine. Ready for the fun part? Let's make 2 little nests or wells in the lentil mixture and crack an egg into each well. Cover the pan and let it cook until the eggs are set and done just the way you like them. Add some salt and pepper to taste and top it off with some fresh chopped parsley or cilantro. Lentils are packed with plant-based protein, fiber and must-have nutrients like iron and folate. And those eggs, they're brimming with high-quality protein and vitamins. Enjoy your wholesome meal. Ready for another delicious, nutrient-packed breakfast? Here we go. You will need 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1/2 cup of hummus, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Optional toppings: sliced avocado, cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices. Instructions: start by toasting the bread until it's golden brown. Then spread a generous layer of hummus evenly on the toasted bread. Next, sprinkle on those chia seeds to add an extra boost of fiber and antioxidants. Now it's time to get creative with your toppings. You can add sliced avocado, cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, or anything else you fancy. Here's why this breakfast is a game changer. Hummus, made from chickpeas, is a fantastic source of plant-based protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Together, they create a breakfast that's not only delicious and satisfying, but also incredibly healthy. Keep watching to discover more mind-blowing breakfast ideas that will completely change the way you start your day. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time and, like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So, go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. This healthy breakfast option is not only packed with nutrients, but it's also visually appealing and incredibly easy to put together. Let's create my chia seed pudding parfait. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon maple syrup or honey, fresh fruit, for example berries, mango, kiwi, granola optional. Instructions: in a jar or bowl, combine the chia seeds, almond milk, vanilla extract and maple syrup. Stir well. I recommend leaving it overnight to allow the chia seeds to swell and create a pudding-like consistency. But if you're in a rush, a minimum of 4 hours should do the trick. When it's ready, grab some fresh fruit, berries, mango, kiwi, whatever you fancy, and some granola if you like a bit of crunch. And in a parfait glass or bowl, layer the chia seed pudding with the fresh fruit and granola. Not only does this look incredible, but it's also a powerhouse of nutrition. Chia seeds are a superfood packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, while the fresh fruits provide essential vitamins, minerals and fiber. So there you have it, a chia seed pudding parfait that's an absolute treat for the senses and a boost for your health. In this chapter, let's explore another wholesome and satisfying breakfast dish that is as nutritious as it is delicious. Pumpkin and quinoa breakfast bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1/2 cup of mashed pumpkin or pumpkin puree, 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, optional, chopped pecans or walnuts for topping, optional. Instructions: first, in a saucepan, combine the cooked quinoa, mashed pumpkin, almond milk and pumpkin pie spice. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring frequently until it is heated through. Next, remove it from the heat and stir in the maple syrup if you're using it. Finally, transfer this inviting pumpkin quinoa mixture to a bowl and top it with chopped pecans or walnuts if you desire. The health benefits of this dish are vast. Quinoa is a nutrient-dense pseudo-grain that provides plant-based protein, fiber and essential minerals, while pumpkin is rich in vitamins A and C, fiber and antioxidants. This pumpkin and quinoa breakfast bowl is a perfect way to start your day with a nutrient-packed meal that will keep you satisfied and energized throughout your morning. Stay tuned for 5 more mind-blowing recipes that will take your breakfast game to new heights. From a protein-packed smoothie to a savory breakfast burrito, these recipes are sure to keep you on the edge of your seat, so don't go anywhere, we're just getting warmed up. I'm now going to tell you how to whip up a breakfast that is quick, easy and incredibly nutritious. A protein-packed green smoothie. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, or a milk of your choice, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/2 cup of frozen mango chunks. Ready to blend? Instructions: start by adding all the ingredients into your blender. Blend on high until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Once done, pour this vibrant green smoothie into a glass and savor the rich, creamy texture and the refreshing flavors. This smoothie is not just a delight to your taste buds, but also a nourishing treat to your body. The almond butter and protein powder provide plant-based protein, the chia seeds and spinach offer dietary fiber, while the fruits add a natural sweetness and a boost of vitamins and minerals. This protein-packed green smoothie is a perfect go-to breakfast for those busy mornings when you need a quick but healthy start to your day. I'm not done yet. Up next, I'm taking a detour to Mexico for a savory breakfast burrito. Now that I am in Mexico for this savory breakfast option, which is the savory breakfast burrito, here's what you will need: 2 large whole wheat tortillas, 2 eggs scrambled, half cup of black beans rinsed and drained, quarter cup of diced bell peppers, quarter cup of diced onions, quarter cup of salsa, quarter cup of shredded cheese optional, salt and pepper to taste. Let's get cooking. Start by sautéing the diced bell peppers and onions in a skillet until they soften. Next, add the scrambled eggs and black beans to the skillet and stir until well combined. Season with salt and pepper according to your preference. Warm the tortillas as per the instructions on the package. Then, divide the egg and bean mixture equally between the 2 tortillas. Add a generous helping of salsa and sprinkle some shredded cheese if you like. Fold the tortillas into burritos and voila! Your nutritious and tasty breakfast burrito is ready. This burrito is a balanced meal in itself, providing ample protein from the eggs and beans, fiber from the whole wheat tortilla and veggies, and a spicy kick from the salsa. It's a great way to start your day with a zing. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes. For those who like to prepare their breakfast the night before, I present to you the overnight oats with mixed berries. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, or milk of your choice, quarter cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, half cup of mixed berries, for example, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Instructions: in a jar or bowl, combine the rolled oats, almond milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and honey. Give it a good stir. Once mixed, cover it up and refrigerate overnight, or for at least 4 hours. When you wake up in the morning, stir the overnight oats mixture and top it off with a colourful array of mixed berries. Your overnight oats with mixed berries is now ready to be enjoyed. This breakfast option is not just convenient, but also packed with fibre from the oats and chia seeds, protein from the Greek yogurt, and a burst of antioxidants and vitamins from the mixed berries. It's a refreshing and healthy way to jumpstart your day. Up next is a breakfast that is an excellent source of fibre, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants. Let's switch gears a little and introduce some savoury goodness to your breakfast table. With sweet potato hash with herbs and spices. Here are the ingredients you'll need: 1 large sweet potato, diced, half red bell pepper, diced, half of an onion, diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: first up, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Toss your diced sweet potato with olive oil, paprika, thyme, salt and pepper on a baking sheet. Roast the sweet potatoes for 20 to 25 minutes until they are tender and slightly caramelized. While your sweet potatoes are roasting, sauté the diced bell pepper and onion in a little olive oil until they soften. Add the minced garlic and sauté for another minute. Once your sweet potatoes are ready, combine them with the sautéed vegetables and mix well. Your sweet potato hash with herbs and spices is ready to be served. This dish is not just flavourful, but also loaded with fibre, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants from the sweet potatoes. The bell peppers and onions add extra vitamins, minerals and fibre. This is a hearty and healthy way to kickstart your day. For this scrumptious recipe, I'm combining the power of quinoa, a protein-packed grain, with the antioxidant-rich blueberries to make our nutty blueberry quinoa pancakes. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, half cup of whole wheat flour, half cup of almond milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, half teaspoon baking powder, quarter teaspoon salt, half cup of fresh blueberries, 2 tablespoons chopped almonds. Instruction: start by combining the cooked quinoa, whole wheat flour, almond milk, egg, maple syrup, baking powder and salt in a mixing bowl. Stir until you get a thick batter. Fold in the fresh blueberries and chopped almonds. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and scoop out about a quarter cup of the batter for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until golden brown. Serve these nutty blueberry quinoa pancakes with a drizzle of maple syrup and some extra fresh berries on top. This breakfast dish is not only delicious, but it's also packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. It's a great way to start your day on a healthy note and keep you energized until lunch. Enjoy this nutritious twist on a classic breakfast favorite. There you have it, folks. 11 insanely delicious and healthy breakfast recipes that will revolutionize your mornings. Say goodbye to boring bowls of cereal and hello to a world of flavor and nutrition. Trust me, once you try these recipes, you'll never look at breakfast the same way again. So, grab your apron, fire up the stove, and get ready to start your day with a bang. Now, as I get near the end of this enlightening journey, I want to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for your time and interest. It has been a pleasure sharing this journey of health and wellness with you. Your comments, thoughts, and experiences are invaluable, so don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comments section. By sharing this video with your loved ones, you may inspire them to embark on their own health journey. Remember, staying informed is the first step towards a healthier, happier life. However, it's essential to note that the information provided here is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. We all have unique dietary needs and health conditions. So before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, please consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Therefore, use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. So until my next video, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.